Imagine coming home on a sweltering summer day, pressing your AC remote, and nothing happens. Your Samsung air conditioner displays a mysterious E1 error code. This frustrating scenario affects thousands of homeowners every year. The Samsung AC error E1 indicates a communication breakdown between your indoor and outdoor units. These two components must constantly talk to each other to coordinate cooling and heating operations. Think of it like a broken telephone line, preventing two people from talking to each other. When this communication fails, your entire AC system shuts down or refuses to start its cooling or heating cycles. Research shows that E1 errors stem from four main causes, each with different likelihood of occurrence. Understanding these causes helps both homeowners and technicians address the problem effectively. Wiring issues are by far the most common culprit, accounting for 60% of all E1 errors. These include loose connections, damaged wires, or incorrect installation. Power supply problems make up 25%, while control board malfunctions account for 10%, and environmental factors cause the remaining 5%. Samsung has significantly improved error diagnostics in their newer models. Air conditioners manufactured in 2024 and beyond provide more specific subcodes alongside the E1 error, giving technicians precise information about the communication failure. Wi-Fi-enabled Samsung models can now send detailed diagnostic information directly to Samsung's cloud services. This allows for remote troubleshooting and faster problem resolution, sometimes even before the homeowner notices an issue. The statistics reveal the significant impact of E1 errors. They account for approximately 35% of all Samsung air conditioner service calls, making them one of the most common issues technicians encounter. However, there's good news. Proper initial installation can reduce the probability of E1 errors by up to 90%. This highlights the critical importance of professional installation and quality workmanship. The data clearly shows that installation quality directly correlates with E1 occurrence rates. Investing in professional installation from certified technicians is the best defense against communication errors. Understanding the E1 error empowers homeowners to make informed decisions about their air conditioning systems. Whether it's recognizing the symptoms, understanding the causes, or appreciating the value of professional installation, knowledge is the first step toward reliable cooling comfort. When your Samsung AC displays the E1 error, don't panic. There are systematic steps you can take to diagnose and fix this communication problem. Let's start with the simplest troubleshooting methods that any homeowner can safely perform. The first step is always a power reset. Turn off your AC at the thermostat, then switch off the circuit breaker for exactly 5 minutes. This allows the system to fully discharge and reset its communication protocols. Next, perform a visual inspection of your outdoor unit. Look for obvious signs of damage like loose wires, corrosion, or moisture infiltration. Here's what a typical outdoor unit wiring setup looks like. For more complex issues, professional technicians use advanced diagnostic procedures. They verify wiring continuity, test voltage levels, and examine control board functionality. Here's what professional AC service looks like. Technicians test 3 critical areas. First, they verify wiring continuity using specialized meters. Second, they check voltage levels at the outdoor unit, typically looking for 24 volts AC. Third, they examine control board outputs and grounding systems. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance is your first line of defense against E1 errors. This includes annual professional inspections and keeping your outdoor unit clean and debris-free. Key prevention measures include scheduling annual professional inspections, keeping the outdoor unit clear of debris and vegetation, and most importantly, installing surge protectors to prevent electrical damage to sensitive control boards. Surge protection is particularly critical. Here's how whole house surge protection works to prevent E1 errors caused by electrical interference and power fluctuations. Samsung updated their installation guidelines in late 2024, emphasizing proper wire routing and enhanced surge protection requirements. These updates directly address the root causes of E1 errors in modern installations. Looking to the future, Samsung is developing AI-powered diagnostic systems that can predict E1 errors before they occur. Wireless communication technology may also reduce dependency on physical wiring, eliminating many communication failure points. Here are the key statistics every homeowner should know. 85% of E1 errors are resolved through wiring repairs, with average costs ranging from $150 to $400. A real-world case study from 2024 showed that a 50-unit residential complex reduced E1 incidents by 95% simply by installing building-wide surge suppression. Remember, most E1 errors are preventable with proper installation and maintenance. When in doubt, consult a qualified HVAC technician who can properly diagnose and resolve communication issues in your Samsung AC system.